they needed extra engineers. So I got a call to bring myself and 2 other engineers and 2 or 3 studio setups for each engineer. And so they called us in, and we came through immediately. We dropped everything we were doing and got there as quick as possible. That's how we got brought in. And yeah, from day one, he was loving us. He was loving our vibe and our team and everything like that. That was actually my first time recording Kanye. It was on Apple Music live stream. So as you can imagine, it's a lot of pressure. There's so much pressure. But before we even started recording, there was so much going on with, like, we arranged the room like 3 times and everybody's working out and like playing music. And so by the time it got time to record, I was much more calm. And by then it was nothing. I do this every single day. The only difference now is it's for Kanye. So I'm extremely efficient and quick engineer, which is exactly what he needs because he demands the thing immediately, you know? So you got to be on point, super on point, but you know, he's a genius, you know, and he needs to get it out immediately, and you got to be able to capture that. Well, for me in particular, like, I just wanted to help like more people like me. It's the preferred route for me who takes this serious. It's like almost the only way I would go about learning how to engineer or get into this profession, because of the externship and being able to go to a professional studio and you're just thrown into a studio where it's already happening. Like, you're learning in a real life situation. Someone's paying to be here right now, and you're learning like the actual ins and outs from day one. And because it was such a success for me, I felt like becoming a mentor was something that I just really wanted to do. For me in particular, I was able to pay off my student loan through the profession. You know, I paid everything off through audio engineering, and that's something like I take pride in, and I feel like I just wanted to help other people do the same, you know? If you're an artist, engineer, or whatever it is that you're doing, you know, you got to ask yourself, like, what are you doing this for? And if you really love what you're doing. For me, the answer is yes. I'm doing this regardless. Like, if money wasn't an issue, I feel like I would be doing the exact same thing. And I know that I felt like I had made it already before, you know, any of this stuff had happened. Like, it was kind of like already that energy. Like, I'm doing exactly what I love. I'm doing what I set out to do in high school. Like, I wanted a studio. I opened up a studio, and because I stuck with it, I never gave up. And like, a lot of people are just gonna, like, they're not gonna see what you see, and they're not gonna understand, and they don't get it, and that's fine. You know, you just gotta believe as much as possible in yourself, and it really doesn't matter. You gotta believe so much in yourself that other people like have no choice but to believe in you.